Students have many opportunities to earn money using a computer. Alongside their studies, they can manage their time and earn through the following 5 methods. 1. Freelancing. If you have skills in graphic design, content writing, web development, data entry, etc., you can work online. Popular platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com. Income. Depending on your skills, you can earn $100-500 per month or more. 2. Creating a YouTube channel. You can create videos on topics you are good at, such as study tips, technology, gaming, or tutorials. Platform: YouTube. The income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The larger your channel grows, the more you can earn. 3. Online tutoring, selling courses. If you are good at a subject, math, English, programming, etc., you can teach students online. Platforms: Zoom, Google Meet. Income: $5 to $20 per class, depending on subject and level. 4. Blogging, content website. You can create your own website and write about topics like technology, education, product reviews, etc. Platforms: WordPress, Google AdSense. Income: earn through ads and affiliate marketing as your website traffic increases. 5. Graphic design, print on demand. You can design t-shirts, logos, posters, and sell them online. Platforms: Teespring, Redbubble. Income depends on how many designs you sell.